Indian brand Smartron, backed by Sachin Tendulkar, has launched the tPhone P, where P stands for power, cause the phone houses a 5000 mAh battery. Priced at Rs 7,299, it is available on Flipkart from 17th of this Jan. This is Lakshmajan from TechRaman. Let's do the unboxing and take a fast look at this device in this video. Inside the box, you have the Smartron tPhone, a comeback phone with a display size of 5.2 inch, pin, some documents, micro USB cable and a charger. Let's power on the tPhone. The phone fits nicely on palm, weighing 160 grams and measuring 8.2 mm in thickness. It has a metal unibody. The backside has the 13 megapixel camera, LED flash, fingerprint sensor and the Smartron branding. The top has the audio jack and a mic. Bottom has a micro USB port and a speaker. On the right side is found the power and volume buttons. The left side houses the SIM tray, which is a hybrid dual SIM and supports 4G VoLTE. The front has capacity buttons at the chin which are backlit. The top houses the 5 megapixel selfie camera, sensors and a earpiece grill. The 5.2-inch IPS display has a HD resolution with a 2.5D glass. There is no protective glass and the display is pretty nice. Coming to the internals, tPhone P is powered by Snapdragon 435 chipset, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. It runs on Android Nougat. Fingerprint sensor is decent, there is no app lock but you can touch the sensor area to take photo and answer calls. There is gyroscope sensors, so the phone is suitable for VR apps and 360-degree videos. The 5000 mAh battery is a highlight of the phone and it should last on average 2 days. I'll confirm it in my full review. It also supports reverse charging, so you can charge your other devices with this battery. Moving to camera, as mentioned earlier, there is a 13 megapixel rear camera with a f2.2 aperture, face detection autofocus. The front has a 5 megapixel camera with a wide selfie mode. You can take videos up to 1080p. So, to conclude, the Smartron tPhone P looks like a promising device at this budget of Rs 7,299, considering it has a 5000 mAh battery. If you are someone who wants a big battery phone at a modest price, Smartron tPhone P should attract you. I'll be doing the complete review in a couple of days, so watch out for this. This is Lakshmajan signing off for TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.